Okay, come, Jewel.
Yes?
Come and tell me why you like to eat your greens.
I like to eat my greens because they're good for me, and now I can do all these things that I like. I can run super fast. I can jump up and down.
I can't see you. Come back here. Why do you like to eat your greens, Lion Bear?
Well, yeah. I'm super fast. I like to spin around in circles.
What's your favorite vegetable or greens?
Green. My favorite vegetable is some carrots and one more thing. Broccoli.
Broccoli? What's yours?
My favorite is cauliflower and broccoli.
Do you like them cooked or do you like them raw?
Raw. I love my greens. I'm picking greens for my dog. She doesn't really like to eat greens, so she always eats sugar pepper and every not anymore.
Is it not? What about eating sugar is not good? Why can't she eat sugar?
Because she likes that and she doesn't like greens.
Well, what's wrong with her not eating her greens?
Thanks, Simon. Well, it's because she never ate greens before and she always ate sugar pack and she won't eat it, even if you give her sugar.
So why don't we just leave her and let her eat the sugar and then?
Because then she'll just be naughtier, ruder, meaner, and when she grows up she's going to be a little beast.